Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Inalsa MasterChef 16BK Oven Toaster Griller. This is a 16-liter OTG. This comes with a 60 minutes timer with stay on function, toughened see-through glass, 100 to 250 degree temperature control, 250 degrees Celsius being the highest, 4-stage heat selection, power indicator, rust-proof powder-coated body, grill tray, enameled baking pan, crumb tray and tray handle. This also runs on 1300 watts of power and comes with 2 years of warranty. This is basically all the information. The net weight of this particular OTG is 3.5 kilograms, and that's more or less it. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. So this is the second box inside. It says more or less the same thing, MasterChef 16BK Oven Toaster Griller. Okay, there's a picture of what this OTG is going to look like. There's sleek, compact form factor. Also has these three dials right over here. Triple dial setting. Over here we have some features mentioned: 100 to 250 degrees Celsius temperature control, 4-stage heat selection, 60 minutes timer with stay on function, power indicator, rust-proof powder-coated body with SS dough clip, grill tray, crumb tray, enameled baking pan and tray handle. And as we mentioned earlier, this particular OTG runs on 1300 watts of power. Do you have any more information? Let me quickly take a look. No, this seems to be it. Once again, the net weight of this particular OTG is 3.5 kilograms. Let's open this box and see what's inside. So these are the components of this particular box. This is the Inalsa MasterChef 16BK Oven Toaster Griller. Let's quickly take a look at these components. This is the grilling tray. This is your grilling tray for the OTG. This is the tray handle. I'll give a closer look. This is the tray handle. This is the MasterChef Quick Chef instruction manual cum warranty card for this particular OTG. Everything that you need to know about this particular OTG you will find in this booklet. And finally, this is the baking tray. This is the enameled baking tray as mentioned earlier. I'll show you what the front side looks like. So these are the three dials that it comes with. These are the temperature dial, the function dial and the time dial. This is of course the power indicator. There's an ergonomic swivel handle at the front. This is called the SS dough clip handle. And this particular OTG comes with rust-proof powder-coated body. It has a very nice matte black finish. It has a very elegant design as well. Finally, at the end, there is a 15 ampere plug. I'll show you. There should be a crumb tray inside. This is the metallic crumb tray that it comes with, and it generally stays over here. It makes it easy to clean. And for setting up, basically what we do is we put the grilling tray right at the top and the baking tray at the center, and you're now basically good to use this particular OTG. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Inalsa MasterChef 16BK Oven Toaster Griller. Thank you for watching.